Imagine having the financial freedom to travel the world, pursue your passions, or simply enjoy the comfort and security that come with having a fat bank account. It's a fantasy that many of us have but often feel is out of reach. But what if I told you that there are books out there that can help you achieve this dream? Books that have been written by experts who have successfully made instant money and are willing to share their secrets with you. In this video, we're going to explore the top 5 books that can help you make instant money in the bank. From investing in the stock market to creating a side hustle, we'll cover it all. So if you're ready to turn your financial dreams into a reality, then keep watching. Before we dive into the books, make sure you've subscribed to our channel. Here are the top 5 books that can help individuals gain knowledge about money, business, and finance to become financially free. Number 1, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Benjamin Graham, also known as the father of value investing, was a renowned investor and author. He is best known for his book, The Intelligent Investor, which is considered a classic in the field of finance. Graham was a professor at Columbia Business School and taught Warren Buffett, who has often credited Graham as his mentor. In this book, Graham explains the concept of value investing, which involves identifying undervalued companies with strong fundamentals and holding them for the long term. The book emphasizes the importance of a disciplined approach to investing and provides practical advice for individual investors. Graham popularized the concept of value investing, emphasizing the importance of purchasing stocks at a price below their intrinsic value. This approach helps protect investors from potential losses and provides a cushion during market downturns. He stresses the significance of having a margin of safety when investing, which means purchasing stocks at a significant discount to their intrinsic value, providing a cushion against potential losses. The book emphasizes the importance of taking a long-term view of investments. Graham advises against trying to time the market or succumbing to short-term market noise, instead encouraging investors to focus on the underlying value of a company and its long-term prospects. This approach helps investors avoid emotional decisions based on short-term market fluctuations and instead make informed decisions based on a company's fundamental value. Graham also highlights the significance of risk management and diversification. By spreading investments across different asset classes and industries, investors can mitigate risk and potentially enhance returns over the long run. He emphasizes the importance of having a disciplined approach to investing and avoiding impulsive decisions based on emotions or market trends. Warren Buffett, a renowned investor and disciple of Graham, has often praised the book, crediting it as a guiding force in his own investment philosophy. Buffett has stated that The Intelligent Investor is by far the best book on investing ever written. The book's principles and strategies continue to be relevant today, making it a must-read for anyone seeking to build a successful investment portfolio. Overall, The Intelligent Investor is a timeless classic that provides a comprehensive understanding of value investing and long-term wealth creation. Number 2, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Who does not know about this book and its author? We all know that Robert Kiyosaki is a successful entrepreneur and author who has made his fortune through real estate and business investments. In Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Kiyosaki shares his insights on financial literacy and wealth creation. The book emphasizes the importance of financial education and encourages readers to think differently about money. Kiyosaki argues that financial freedom is not just about earning a high income, but also about building wealth through smart investments and financial planning. Number 3, The Millionaire Teacher by Andrew Hallam. Andrew Hallam is a former teacher who turned his financial knowledge into a successful career. In The Millionaire Teacher, Hallam shares his own journey from being a teacher to becoming a millionaire through smart investing. The book provides practical advice on how to invest in the stock market, avoid common pitfalls, and build long-term wealth. Hallam emphasizes the importance of discipline and patience in achieving financial success. Hallam advocates for the use of index funds, which track a specific market index, such as the SP 500. Hallam argues that index funds are a more effective and cost-efficient way to invest in the stock market compared to actively managed funds. One of the key concepts in the book is the idea of couch potato investing. Hallam popularized this approach, which involves investing in a diversified portfolio of index funds and then ignoring market fluctuations. This approach allows investors to achieve long-term financial success without constantly monitoring their investments. Hallam emphasizes the importance of living below one's means and avoiding debt, sharing his own experiences of living frugally, such as buying a used car and living with roommates, to illustrate how these habits can help individuals build wealth. Hallam defines wealth as having enough passive income to cover one's expenses without having to work. He argues that this definition is more important than the amount of money one has in their bank account. The book provides practical advice on how to achieve this definition of wealth, including strategies for investing, saving, and managing debt. The book has received widespread acclaim from financial experts and authors. The Millionaire Teacher has had a significant impact on the personal finance community, providing a comprehensive and accessible guide to building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Number 4, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel is a thought-provoking book that delves into the psychological aspects of money and investing. Housel, a well-known financial writer and investor, explores the strange ways people think about money and how these thoughts can impact financial decisions. The book is based on 19 short stories that illustrate the psychological biases and emotions that influence our financial choices. Housel argues that understanding our own biases and emotions is crucial to making smart financial decisions. He explains how our brains are wired to make irrational decisions, often driven by emotions such as fear, greed, and nostalgia. The book highlights the importance of recognizing these biases and developing strategies to overcome them. Housel also emphasizes the importance of humility and acknowledging the limits of our knowledge when making financial decisions. One of the key themes in the book is the concept of mental accounting. Housel explains how people tend to separate their money into different mental accounts, such as fund money or emergency funds, which can lead to poor financial decisions. He argues that it is essential to integrate all our financial goals and priorities into a single, cohesive plan. The book also explores the concept of loss aversion, where people are more motivated by the fear of losing money than the potential gains. Overall, The Psychology of Money is a valuable resource for anyone looking to improve their financial literacy and make better financial decisions. The book provides a comprehensive understanding of the psychological biases and emotions that influence our financial choices, offering practical advice on how to overcome these biases and achieve long-term financial success. Number 5, Common Sense on Mutual Funds by John C. Bogle. Bogle is a comprehensive guide to mutual fund investing, written by the founder of the Vanguard Group. The book provides a detailed overview of the mutual fund industry, highlighting the importance of low-cost index funds and the dangers of high-cost actively managed funds. Bogle argues that the average investor is often separated from their money by the financial industry, which can lead to poor investment decisions and lower returns. Bogle emphasizes the importance of understanding the economics of investing, including the concepts of return, risk, and cost. He explains that the long-term investor who pays least has the greatest opportunity to earn most of the real return provided by the stock market. The book also discusses the 4 dimensions of investing: return, risk, cost, and time. Bogle stresses the importance of considering these dimensions when selecting a portfolio's long-term allocation to stocks and bonds. Overall, Common Sense on Mutual Funds is a valuable resource for anyone looking to improve their financial literacy and make better investment decisions. The book provides a comprehensive understanding of the mutual fund industry and the importance of low-cost index funds, offering practical advice on how to achieve long-term financial success. That's all for today. I hope this video has helped you to learn something. If you found this video informative and helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more of these types of videos. In the comments below, let me know your favorite book and share it with your friends who are always ready to learn something about money.